today. So we'll be opening this. This is like Nerf one, and it should be really cool. So I'll see you guys in a second, guys. So now we're gonna open this bad boy. See you guys, we're gonna open this bad boy. Okay, so let's take it out. Oh god, this is hard. Oh, this is actually really hard. Okay, wait, I'll see you guys when I actually get it open. So I got it open. I actually had to cut open the other side. Comes with these bullets and this. These things, I don't know what's in here. It's a weird thing. So I'll open it. Oh, it's the thing that we saw when we were in the front. So I'm gonna put these on. And I'll see you guys when I put these on. Bye. I got them on now, so I will see you guys in about a good test exercise. Okay. See you guys. I'm gonna go to the test it. Just wait. I'll see you guys in a second. Guys, so I am now ready to do this. So it's kind of cool because literally, if you go like that, you can see the inside of it. And then all you have to do is put your bullets in there. So I'm gonna put, but sadly they only gave me 3 bullets. Where's my other bullet? Wait guys, I have to find my other bullet. Okay, I gotta find my other bullet. What's that? Okay. So we will be trying it. Oh god, I found it, guys. Guys, I found my other bullet. Okay, guys, sorry. So we will be testing this, and how we're going to be testing this is we are going to be hitting, so we're going to try to headshot. Woody. That's right, we're headshotting Woody. And if he falls down, we will be headshotting Woody. Headshotting Woody, guys. You guys might think it's mean, but I don't care. Oh, that was close. Close. One more. I got it on that try. I got it on that try. Okay, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. So that is me testing out this really, it's called, I don't know, but it's like some really fun Roblox Nerf gun toy. So you guys should go try it, and I will try to leave I'll try to leave the link in the description in the bottom below, okay? So bye guys.